You gonna put a show on for me? Okay. That's a good one. Cheese. Put another one on. Let me have two hands. Put two Muppets on you. You gonna hold this one?
Kiss him.
Kiss him. Want to kiss him? You kiss him.
No.
No. Aww.
A cookie?
Do I want a cookie?
No.
Let me see the cookies.
No cookie. There you go.
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. That looks good. Lotion? Say lotion? Can you say lotion? Lotion? Good. That's good. Good girl. Oh, that's good pretending. Pretending. Using your imagination. What is that? Chicken. That's right. What else you got? What's that?
No.
Orange juice? You put orange juice on your legs?
Mm-hmm.